What's crackin'? It's that time again. We're knee-deep in November 2025. Thanksgiving vibes hitting hard, but your portfolio's serving up the real feast. Pull up a chair, grab your turkey leg, or that leftover pizza, and let's unpack this XRP USDT beast on Binance. This ain't just any chart. It's the pulse of Ripple's rebellion against the slowpoke banking world, where XRP's flipping the script on wires that take days and dollars that vanish in fees. Clocking in at $2.0911 right now, yeah. Over $2, fam. It's up a solid 2.68% in the last 24 hours, flexing a high of $2.1077 and dipping to $2.038 like was testing the waters before the big swim. Volume, 127.79 million XRP swapped for $263.79 million USDT. That's Wall Street money meeting meme energy, with trillions in potential if the institutions keep piling in. For us red, white, and blue traders, this is like the Super Bowl of alts: high stakes, higher rewards, and zero tolerance for slow plays. Dive into the action. Those candlesticks are painting a masterpiece of resilience. Green hammers and doji stars popping up like fireworks, pushing back from that sneaky low of $1.8859. Now cruising that upward curve toward $2.1077. Resistance like XRP's got places to be. The price lines got that gentle slope, weaving through the noise without breaking a sweat, while volume bars at the bottom light up like Times Square, spiking from 1.28 million to over 5.22 million units. Screaming whales are waking up. It's the kind of chart that whispers, "I've been battle-tested," after years of SEC drama, now free and fierce, consolidating like a coiled spring ready to launch over the holidays. Now the indicators, they're the hype squad turning heads. Those EMAs are stacking like pancakes. The 7-period yellow at $2.0701 crossing bullish over the 25-period blue at $2.0581, with the 100-period orange at $2.0388 and 50-period purple at $2.03 holding the fort below. It's that golden cross energy, short-term speed demons outpacing the long-haul crew, hinting XRP's got momentum to chew through resistance like it's Black Friday deals. Bollinger Bands, orange squeeze around the price. Bands widening just enough to tease volatility, price hugging the middle like it's comfy. But those upper edges at $2.1136 are calling for a breakout hug. SAR dots flipping green below the candles. That's your go time signal. Parabolic reversal saying bears are tapped out. Volume's the undisputed champ. Those histograms jumping from purple lows to blue peaks, with MA5 at 4.7 million and MA10 at 4.6 million. Fueling the fire without the smoke. MACD's the storyteller down low. Blue DIF line at 0.0108, dancing above the orange DEA at 0.0132. Histogram bars stacking green like profit stacks. Positive divergence yelling bulls are building. RSI, your vibe check at 64.51, comfortably bullish. Not overheated like a summer barbecue. Just right for sustained gains without the crash. Overall, this November 22nd, 24 snapshot. It's XRP in warrior mode, uptrend intact. Post-sec glow-up, with ETF whispers and Ripple's acquisition spree. Shout out to that $1.25 billion hidden road buy, turning heads from Wall Street to Main Street. If you're stateside, think of it as the 4th of July remix. Fireworks from institutional inflows. But watch for those macro dips if Bitcoin sneezes. Price prediction, XRP's next leap, from holiday hustle to 2026 glory. All right, crystal ball time, short term. Next 7 days, eyes glued to $2.10 support. If it holds and volume spikes over 150 M XRP, we're hopping to $2.20, $2.35 by week's end. A quick 5 to 12% juice on ETF hype and swell 2025 afterglow. Bear sniffing. A slip below $2 could test $1.91. But that's buy the fear territory with whales hoarding 900 M tokens lately. End of 2025. This is where it gets fireworks level epic for us Yanks. Conservative calls peg $2.05, $2.30 average. But the bulls, roaring toward $3, $4.46 on RLUSD stablecoin pilots. 9 ETF filings, hello $57B inflows. And Ripple's $4 billion acquisition blitz making XRP the swift slayer. Worst case, sticks at $2.10 if macro headwinds bite. But moonshot? $5 plus if Canary ETF's $250 million debut snowballs into institutional frenzy. Long-term to 2030. $6.26 easy if XRP snags 14% of Swift's pie. Tokenized assets flood the XRPL, and CBDC integrations go global. Turn that $1K bag into $10K plus dreams. Real talk, freedom fighters. XRP's chart is a testament to comeback kings battered by regs, now battling for banks. DYOR harder than a turkey trot. Set those alerts, and let's make 2025 end with a bang. Smash that like if you're stacking XRP. Sub for the altcoin deep dives, and holler your targets in the comments. $3 by Christmas or nah. Catch you on the flip side.